my name is Caitlin. I'm a senior on the pre-vet track, majoring in animal science with a certificate in food systems. I got to work in a lab with poultry. It was a great hands-on experience and not your typical research lab. I actually found this lab through the CALS Honors and Research Program, which is something that all first-year CALS students can apply to. Students get to find what research interests them and then connect with the professor to work with. Being in the lab is a great way to get hands-on experience and break up my schedule of lectures. Working with animals has really given me an opportunity to take what I learn in class and have it come to life. It's really rewarding to know that what I'm learning in class has its real-life applications. I think the main thing I want students to know is that you can get involved in research early. You can join your first year and then build on that experience all 4 years, or you can decide that it's not for you. Either way, it's great to get involved early.